The iPad Show.
Hello, this is Steve Bostedor from the iPad Show, and today we're going to look at Newsy.com. Newsy for the iPad, and it's free in the iPad App Store. And so let's bring this thing up. Newsy is I guess you would call it a re-news. It takes the news that already exists in all of the other websites like MSNBC and CNET and CNN and so on, and it kind of repackages them in a fairly unique way. Instead of just giving you an RSS feed to their videos, they actually make their own videos. So let's go back to let's check out the science and the technology, because that's kind of what I care about. I think I just locked up the thing. My internet is really slow, so as it's loading, so let's see. Let's bring up the tech and science. You see all the different categories here, everything from just the world and politics and stuff all the way down to tech and the environment. So as it loads, you can see kind of a cover flow sort of feel as I'm just kind of brushing through. The white dot you see on the screen is actually my finger brushing through this thing. So let's... you can see the dates getting older and older. So it looks like they do a few videos a day in each category. So let's look at the keynote here. This button here that looks like an arrow going down, that will allow you to download the video for offline viewing, which is really cool if you're kind of on the go, and you could choose whether or not to download the high quality or the standard. The standard is probably just, it's fine. It's good enough for... You don't really need high def video for news, and it just eats up space on your iPad. So when you download it, it goes into your My Library. So you can see I've downloaded a couple of videos now. To play it, you just tap on it, and the video will start playing.
We're introducing iPhone 4, the fourth generation iPhone.
That's Apple CEO Steve Jobs.
So you can see they have their own
generation of Apple's mobile devices, the iPhone 4,
there, I guess,
at the Worldwide Developers
anchors,
Conference.
news anchors, I
Jobs
guess, is more
highlighted
accurate
9
what they
new
are.
features on the iPhone,
And
including a new design
their news,
and the debut of
down
video
at the
calling
bottom
with
is
a
really cool. You have an
front-facing
area where you can
camera
leave
called Apple
comments.
FaceTime.
And you
We're
can see
taking a
where
look at
people
Apple,
have posted
the Huffington
comments to
Post,
this news
Fox
story.
News, and CNBC.
You can see the
Many are
transcript
amazed by the sleek design
of the
and
actual news
innovations the new
story,
phone
so
is
if you
bringing
feel like
to the
just
mobile
kind of
market.
reading through the
most
text of it,
impressive
it's all
of which
there.
is Apple FaceTime.
You have the sources.
Apple's website gives a
So
peek at the iPhone's much
one thing
anticipated
that I noticed
video
is
chat function.
when you click on any one of these sources, or tap on any one of these sources, it just takes you to the website. It doesn't take you to the actual article that it's referencing. That's not
But
as
the
good
Huffington Post
as it
is
could
quick
be.
to point out
And
potential
then the share,
flaws,
you can
saying
share
Apple's new
for,
video chat
email, Facebook,
isn't
and
always
Twitter.
cracked up to be.
So very,
Apple
very
showed off
cool
its video
sharing features.
conferencing with the
Click done and you're back to the main. We'll go back to... You can also make playlists. So if you just... Because a lot of these videos are kind of short. They're only like 5 minutes, And so you want to kind of string a bunch of them together. So you can add this to my playlist. I'll go through and I want to add that to my playlist. And then, see, I don't like that one, but I do want to find out about the caffeine study. So I'll put that on my playlist. I always like to hear new things about AT&T. So here we go. I'm making this playlist. And if you see down at the bottom now, there's a start playlist. And there's a little badge that says number 4. So I have 4 things in my playlists. I tap it and it'll start playing my playlists. Just one by one, it'll stitch them together.
iPhone 4.
So very, very cool. And yeah, so I mean, just about every category you'd probably, and you could also search. So if I want to find, hey, I don't like this. Seems very single-threaded, where it won't do anything while it's trying to fetch information from the internet. It should throw that off into another thread. But I digress. Let's see. So we'll type in iPad. Let's see what kind of cool stuff they're talking about in the iPad. And slowly but surely, I'm beginning to wonder if someone on my network here is BitTorrenting, because it should not be this slow. Okay, there we go. And there you go. So you see all of the stories. It looks like Looks like it's sorted by date, but I'm not sure. No, it's not actually sorted by date. I'm not sure what the sort method is on this. But there they are. So, you can pick any one of the iPad reviews. The videos, for the most part, are really high quality and nice. So it's definitely worth going and taking a look at. It is, of course, very data intensive. So if you are getting the new 3G iPad and you're going to sign up for one of these expensive AT&T data plans, you might want to make sure you're on Wi-Fi when viewing these. These will take you over your cap fairly quickly. So there you go. It's Newsy, Newsy, for the iPad in the App Store, and it's free. Pretty cool.